All right, so now we're going to talk about move number 6 in 30 moves to 30K, your first deal system. Move number 6 is talk to property owners. That's right. I didn't say wholesalers. I didn't say agents. I said property owners. Now, why would I want you to do that? Because these are the people that oftentimes you're going to get the best deal from without paying a middleman, without paying, dealing with agent commissions and those sorts of things, because there is nothing wrong with wholesalers and agents or even bird dogs. The problem is when you're not direct, there's added costs being involved in the deal, and that makes it harder to put a deal together more often than not. Now, again, you can go to wholesalers, and the reality is a lot of wholesale deals are not very good, but some are. We've bought from wholesalers, and we love our wholesalers when they bring us a good deal. It's just not that common. But when they come, then no problem, we can do it. It works. Same with listed properties, dealing with agents, or even agents with pocket listings. But your best bang for your buck, go direct to the sellers, because you just have less to deal with in terms of extra costs. Now, what if you don't have time? If you don't have time, then yes, going to agents and wholesalers, bird dogs might be a great solution, because time is not infinite, as we know. Maybe you're working a full-time job, you just don't have time to do the marketing and so forth. So it just depends. But if you can do the marketing, if you can create the time to go direct, it is definitely well worth your time, because you're going to get the best bang for your buck 9 times out of 10. But if not, it's understandable. Either way, whichever route you go, make sure you answer one question, and that is, why is the seller selling? Okay. So if you're doing direct, you're going to ask that question. But if you're working with an agent and a wholesaler, make sure they know the answer. Because if they don't know the answer, you are putting yourself at a little bit of a disadvantage. So go to sellers direct. It's the quickest way to solve that. But if you must go to wholesalers and agents, no problem. Make sure they know why the seller's selling, so you can put together the best offer to get the best deal. I'll see you in the next video.